name is Elias, and welcome to KidBits. Today we're going to talk about algorithms. Have you ever wondered why the food your mom makes always tastes so perfect? It's because she uses a special recipe, a set of steps. And just like your mom uses a recipe, we can use a set of steps in order to draw a house that always looks good. And so let's do that. First, we're gonna draw the base, which is a square. Then we're gonna put a pointy roof on top, like so. After that, a window on each side and a door in the middle, and there you have it, a house, step by step. And guess what? Either in drawing or in cooking, these sets of steps, that's what we call an algorithm. That's a fancy word of saying a set of steps in order to complete a task. So the next time you enjoy mom's awesome cooking or creative fun drawing, remember that you're using an algorithm, a set of steps. Until next time, here at KidBits.